Hi guys,
Hey.
welcome back with another video. Happy 4th of July today. And today we are only doing this because it's a July 4th of July. It's fireworks.
And we're not actually gonna play with fireworks.
It's firework arcade. So arcade game. Which one? So let's try surprise one we haven't used. Someone said.
Tap or drag to light fireworks in order they appear. Okay, so. Okay.
That was easy.
Okay.
Tap.
And then that.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna try level 3.
Okay.
Okay, I try level 3.
In order.
Nice. You try.
This is starting to get difficult. Okay. 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 Oh yeah. No. Smiley face. Come on, I need to get. Okay, that one. That?
No, this one then.
Okay, and then that one?
Yeah. Then that one.
And then that one?
No, then this.
I have bad memory.
That one. That one. That one. That one.
Okay. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one.
This one. Then this one. Then this one. Then this one.
Yeah.
Then this one. Okay, so let me try. We got level 5. So hard. It's so hard. No, even worse.
That one. No.
Then
Yeah, that
that
no.
one. Then that 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 one. Oh my god! No, another one.
No. That one. No. That one. No. Then that one. Then that one.
Then that one.
Yeah.
Then that one. 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 Why is it so cool?
That one.
That one. That one.
No. Okay, yeah.
That one. That one. That one. That one. Okay, Alex, you try level 6 even harder.
Okay. That one. That one. That one.
After this, let's
That one.
Okay,
What?
okay, let's just try something else.
Okay,
Let's go
okay.
back to the arcade.
Okay. End game. Back to okay.
Okay, we
Zen
haven't done
Warrior.
Zen Warrior.
Okay. Set for Jack to light fireworks. Oh, there's no bombs.
Oh, so this is practically Fruit Ninja.
Yeah. Okay, you can try the other one.
Okay, and then after this, we're just gonna give up, right? How come that sounds like a bomb?
I don't know. Right there.
Okay, let's just try another one.
Okay.
Okay.
Back to our thing. Sparkle.
Yeah.
Tap cookies to light fire.
Okay. You had to do it in order?
No, it's
Oh.
tap cookies.
What? Okay, let's try another one. So if you guys don't know what Spark Samurai is, it's technically Fruit Ninja with like the bombs, not like Zen Warrior. Let's try.
Someone, that's it?
Yeah. So.
Oh, wait. What the heck is start show? Sorry for the noise outside, if you can hear it.
Oh, look at that show.
So,
Pretty cool.
yeah, so happy 4th of July, guys. I hope you enjoyed this.
We might make another one today too, right? Are you gonna make another one?
Yeah, maybe. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.